right?
Yes.
So we are here, and we are here means we are visiting all nursing, midwife training institutions to check, to see whether the examiners are there, whether the exams are being properly conducted, whether there is no cheating. That's why this exercise is very important, monitoring what's going on. I must say, so far what I've seen, I'm satisfied that good work is going on. I want to congratulate you, and I want to pray that you keep that discipline, you keep that seriousness, you keep those smiles I can see, which shows that you are confident you are going to pass and you will pass.
Smiling faces, which means you're going to make it. And, when you believe and love God, you can never fail. Therefore, be positive that you are going to make it. And practical is what you've been doing on the wards, isn't it? So there's nothing that has. How?
And I think you know why I'm invited the doctors here. So we are here, we are moving all over to monitor whether things are going on well. But of course, praying that you do not participate in any experimental malpractice. Because if it happens, we shall just cancel your standard. I just want to congratulate you for this beautiful facility. You are blessed. You are having a beautiful facility. When time comes for you to serve, go and serve as a show Indians. Show that you can be on a very first class facility. Okay? I wish you the best of luck. I please to teach you. Be honest, love your profession, and practice it wherever you go. And that first calls for a lot of hard work, even after the exam. Congratulations.
Open shelves for our users. There are different sections. They are all very
This is internally generated funds. Wow.
Apart from the open shops, we have closed shops. These are different sections and reserve. Each code that is on the open shop, we have you just use within the library and use. Yes, even the turnout, with the science, reading is a bit hard, and in visual, we don't want to read books. We used to have a challenge down there where we are. The turnout was really low, but after getting this big facility very cool, at least even students struggle.
What explains the absence of students in the library?
You can tell the levels that one day we do that research and find out. I don't know whether that with the duties, because they are able duty, class duty. So I don't know, but one time I want to make a research. But at least now.
One nursing institution.
Good morning, sir. Yes.
What's her name? During my days as a student, only one member support. It was called Uguru. Was the district mentioned somewhere. And we didn't want to hear that name. We don't want to talk about him every day. It's a pleasure for me to be here this morning.
Yeah, glad to see you.
And see the full smile.
For us, we are smiling.
That you are very well prepared to exam. Yes. You are ready to pass.
Yes.
You are looking forward to going to the field and work and
look for those.
Yes. I want to congratulate you in advance.
Thank you.
We are here. We are spending the whole week moving around all education, all nursing training students. You know what? We are doing very important exercise. And we want to see whether things are going well. I must tell you that what I have seen so far is wonderful. The best class the class. And so far, one thing I've noted is that the demand for your services increase, which has led to an increase in the number of students, and these facilities are no longer enough. Yes. I'm going out to tell government, which I represent. Yes. And we shall do it. Take this examination period very seriously. Read, work hard, and be honest. Don't try to cheat with the law behind it. Don't try to cheat for people who are working finances and understand you are born to serve. Yes.